Mr. Speaker, this matter that has been raised by Honorable Jared is really a matter of national importance because we are dealing with the offices of the President and the Deputy President. The Presidency. Office of the Presidency is saying, Wanjala, the MP for Budalangi. Mr. Speaker, yesterday I watched in the social media the Deputy President carrying a bag in the streets of Jomo Kenyatta. What struck me, Mr. Speaker, in that episode, as somebody who has traveled a lot, is the kind of bag the Deputy President was carrying. That one really struck me. That the kind of bag is not for the Deputy President. That bag is for something else. Another thing that struck me in that episode is what was the content of that bag, because the Deputy President could not even give it to his bodyguard. He had to hold it himself in person, Mr. Speaker. What could have contained in that bag, Mr. Speaker? I don't know whether a committee of this parliament can get to know for us. What is the content of that bag that you cannot even trust with Ngunjiri Wambugu was behind him, that he held for me this bag, Mr. Speaker?
Kinikubalia nirudi Nairobi, nikae alafu niende kwa village. Unajua kila mtu wako mahali alitoka. So kila mtu wako na kwao. Hii Mombasa hii ni kiwanja ya kuja kutafuta riziki. Hii Nairobi tunaishi ni kiwanja ya kutafuta riziki. Lakini mwisho kabisa, si unajua bahari utarudi.
Mwancho murigereria wikita seni ya Kisi Hot na wakirenga mbyamono asinge nchogenderte ko sangamo ne nchokera chingaki na kera ebiro. Ni gondege gasinge ncho yo kumanya mungana abira atatu kurengana amo na umuskeri Gashagwa, the Deputy President wensi ya Kenya. Nyonanga nchini konkurukwa nyabutu Dennis gosena buwancha onangeri kuntu niko na kwariganire ase birebiga tunyare kubatogo sanga ase obwamo. Ndarachi okwarera asobwagare igoro ya umuskeri Gashagwa amo no buraibwae na bero chikenenga Rigathi Gachagua asago chikokorera na asako ngusana. Either Rigathi Gachagua na bara akorerwe impeachment amo na National Assembly. Igentu giko gekorete emechano. Omubunge utare sokia. Either kurukenya kwanza gose kuru Azimio. Okobeka impeachment motion yoko impeach the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Na nchiko kwa maereso nga ninkiye kogera ababunga babara banye ku impeach umukonyi bo murayi bwense umuske Dr. Muske Rigathi Gachagua. Before that one tigangote biga. Yesterday on Tuesday 11th June 2024, the Deputy President nachiete tinsemo cha Mombasa.
Let's call a spade a spade. If you want to politic, that is fine. If you want to go and talk in a church, in a public burial place, that is fine. But not to the extent of demeaning the office of the Deputy President. Even the office of Member of Parliament cannot be demeaned, Mr. Speaker. When some of our colleagues misbehave, we take offense. When some of our colleagues here go to burials and behave in a manner that is unbecoming, a manner that a Member of Parliament should not behave, we take offense. We say, no, we talk to them, don't behave that way. As a whip, I guide them in my office. You can't behave like this. I don't know whether the executive has a whip. The whip of the executive now must come in. I don't know whether it is the majority leader who is the whip of the executive. But a majority leader, if somebody is not interested in any job, there are Kenyans who are interested in that job. Why don't you do something? We are here to execute it. There are many Kenyans who can perform. Men and women. And many Kenyans, men and women of high standard and caliber. Including, no, I don't qualify because I'm not from Kenya Kwanza. But anybody else is qualified. Mr. Speaker, you know, Mr. Speaker, the Deputy Presidency is a very, very critical office. In our neighboring country, the president today who's running that country was a Deputy President. She was a Deputy President of President Magufuli. And today she's a president of the Republic of Tanzania. So that tells you how important that office. That is not the kind of office that can be occupied by somebody who's pulling a trolley in the corridors of Jomo Kenyatta Airport. It's not possible. So, Mr. Speaker, why we are talking as a parliament, because it is here that we discuss matters of concern to the people. And surely, Deputy President pulling a trolley is of matters of concern to the public. The discussion here is, why did he use the Kenya Airways, the public transport? That is neither here nor there. The issue is pulling a trolley. The issue here is, are we as a country having the presidency, giving the presidency the kind of respect that it deserves, Mr. Speaker? And I'm not absolving blame from anybody. Anybody who has not done his work, he can be held accountable. But Mr. Speaker, let me conclude by saying this. Mr. Speaker, people take these offices casually. And somebody thinks that if I become a deputy president, I cannot be held accountable by anybody. A member of parliament will hold you accountable. And the Constitution has given him that provision to hold you accountable. Any member of parliament, by the way, it doesn't matter whether you're Kenya Kwanza or Azimio, any member of parliament can hold you accountable for actions and anything that you speak. I don't want to digress because the speaker has told, let's concentrate on the context. But some of the utterances even are wanting. So, Mr. Speaker, personally as a member of parliament, and you know, some of us, we might not have become deputy presidents, or we may not occupy high offices, but now we are senior members of the country, because some of those people, we have served more terms of parliament than them. They know that. I have been in this parliament more than those people. They know themselves. I don't want to mention names. I am now serving the third term, and people came here one term and sijui jua ilitoka wapi.
Mimi nimeshukuru sana. Najua sitaki kusema mambo mingi. Nataka mkinikubalia nirudi Nairobi, nikae alafu niende kwa village. Najua kila mtu wako mahali alitoka. So kila mtu wako na kwao. Hii Mombasa hii ni kiwanja ya kuja kutafuta riziki. Hii Nairobi tunaishi ni kiwanja ya kutafuta riziki. Lakini mwisho kabisa, si unajua bahari utarudi. So I don't know why anybody would have a problem with where we all come from. Because somebody comes from somewhere. And that is the truth. And everybody should be proud of your origin and your identity. And nobody should ever make you feel embarrassed about your origin and identity.
Mr. Speaker, this matter that has been raised by Honorable Jared is really a matter of national importance, because we are dealing with the offices of the President and the Deputy President. The presidency. Office of the Presidency is saying, Wanjala, the MP for Budalangi. Mr. Speaker, yesterday, I watched in the social media the Deputy President carrying a bag in the streets of Jomo Kenyatta. What struck me, Mr. Speaker, in that episode, as somebody who has traveled a lot, is the kind of bag the Deputy President was carrying. That one really struck me. That kind of bag is not for the Deputy President. That bag is for something else. Another thing that struck me in that episode is what was the content of that bag, because the Deputy President could not even give it to his bodyguard. He had to hold it himself in person, Mr. Speaker. What could have contained in that bag, Mr. Speaker? I don't know whether a committee of this parliament can get to know for us. What is the content of that bag that you cannot even trust with Ngunjiri Wambugu was behind him, that he held for me this bag, Mr. Speaker? I don't know whether Mr. Speaker, those are the two things that struck me in yesterday's episode politically. But having said that, Mr. Speaker, why are we discussing this matter here? The only place that can hold the presidency accountable is Parliament, Mr. Speaker. They are held accountable here, constitutionally. You know, Mr. Speaker, you can hold somebody accountable in the sense that if it is your responsibility to dismiss him from the job he has, then you are the only one who can hold him accountable. It is a clear provision in the Constitution that this is the house that can remove anybody who occupies those offices, Mr. Speaker, and you are a senior lawyer. Mr. Speaker, if what I am seeing, or this trend I am seeing continues, you know very well, Mr. Speaker, the Constitution says a state officer must bring honor, dignity, and respect to the office he's holding.
Ekero mokonyi w'omurai wense musike Dr. Rigathi Gachagua ekera achete Mombasa mate achete na commercial plane tatumegeti gari yaye tarigeti ndege eria serikali ikomoka wasinga ncheno murai omonene takanireti na helicopter emokobe. The deputy president akolete egente kemo chogo aba Kenya yoko igora aba Kenya maiso ngante aya tindi ase serikali ya Ruto vya kongire. Reason why Rigathi Gachagua kwengusere pai airport Rigathi Gachagua epagi ya chianga kwengusera Rigathi Gachagua korine ndege ya public ose commercial plane kuchi Mombasa ebinte binabiko gotabinga abya kongire. Rigathi Gachagua, he is trying to communicate something lakini abakenya bange mbararora. Since independence Gosomura yone boys, leave alone the politicians. Pigato kwanere about the no montole obwate umonto iga like me talk about mo pastor. Kwanye kono mo pastor kera ko ga mo pastor ole powerful. Let me use the example ya Pastor Ezekiel. Kwanye kora Pastor Ezekiel kera kwande crusade no Tanzania. Kakwe ngusere pai. Kose mokora none buku kerekere no Tanzania matali. Tori ko manyinga pagi ya he osinati tine chianga ko sitati tine chianga. Konyo bwate buku koboko. Okoro monto chiro mokonyire kubugulie bukweria. So Gachagua kwengusere pai, it communicates a lot with Sava Kenya. Lakini egente kigete tutwara maisaga tatu yokurigereria. Murai kigesa ya Kenya omokonyi wense yesa. Unyakwe ngusere pai yechianga. Murai ki ogotika kuri na we serikali deputy president. Otia kuri na ndege ya serikali endege koba montat asako genda guchi in case of anything agota makori yigu otoka. Something Gachagua kwanira aba Kenya kini mbararora. Today Gachagua kerani ngi Mombasa na kwa nege ntekemo ate baiga ekarango mukutano ka okoro mukutano abwate Mombasa oyachete igoro ne pagi yae I don't know nga today aro nendege serikali kumuira ni gosena ndene ria gwaka ne muira ni gocha airport. Gachagua said like this. Ndete gokora kurwa bwango ngira ne Nairobi ngoika Nairobi ngenenga ekenyoronda aratimuka. Tarima nganane kare ngi Gachagua kwana on this side.
Mimi nimeshukuru sana. Najua sitaki kusema mambo mingi. Nataka ni mkinikubalia nirudi Nairobi nikae alafu niende kwa village. Najua kila mtu wako mahali alitoka. So kila mtu wako na kwao. Hii Mombasa hii ni kiwanja ya kuja kutafuta riziki. Hii Nairobi tunaishi ni kiwanja ya kutafuta riziki, lakini mwisho kabisa si unajua bahari utarudi. So I don't know why anybody would have a problem with where we all come from, because somebody comes from somewhere, and that is the truth. And everybody should be proud of your origin and your identity, and nobody should ever make you feel embarrassed about your origin and identity.
Nyote kwa urengi Gachagua kwana. Gachagua anaenda nyumbani kupumzika. Eke Nyoreme. Kolirieri. Amangana Gachagua kwana Mombasa na baka koreki gento nkero. Kuna kitu. Turatigana nayo. Wano, the National Assembly with Junet Mohammed, he is communicating something. Junet Mohammed, he is communicating on behalf of the members of the National Assembly. He is asking questions. He is very serious, asking questions about the Rigathi Gachagua kwengu sere pai Mombasa maati kuchi Mombasa Rigathi Gachagua korine ndege ya public. Now, let me tell you this. If Azimio wako sokia impeachment ya the deputy president, the UDA MPs, they will support it 100%. And abono siasa no ya chakire na miaka yege 5 teri kwera Gachagua atarasoka. Listen to me. Gachagua, the deputy president, the president and other leaders no barenge na Nakuru. A weekend ye yerete. Ekrebari nge Nakuru ese kanisa. The president arrived. Area MPs wakafika mapema na watu wengine mapema. But Gachagua came late. Ekera turi bagari okwana Gachagua said niko na nyorwa asengencho transportation yane yalenge nkong na nena atene nanchera for 2 hours because of transportation. Now, how come the president arrives at the event mapema, the MPs UDA wanafika mapema na wametumia ndege ya serikali? Gachagua, I don't know kama alihaya, anakuja late na helicopter. Why sit Gachagua anapata hard transportation to the events? Now, hii si mara ya kwanza. Ya kwanza walikuwa wanena tena kwingine event. Gachagua akanyimwa ndege ya serikali. Ikabidi akahaya. Last Sunday ilikuwa ya pili. Yesterday ametumia ndege ya commercial kwa na Mombasa. Na si government. Si ya government. Why? Gachagua is trying to communicate something. Maybe ile kusema ukweli yake, truthful man, a truthful man, umuntu wekene na bora ni kewo chikumukost osonya basini ko igwana no bwene bwaye umuntu wekene. Gachagua, I've seen even members of parliament ku Mount Kenya bakurwa ni Gachagua. We have seen abande bakwegirira Rigathi Gachagua. I want to say this. If this continues, either Rigathi Gachagua, he might be impeached. Kone amangana agakugenderera. Rigathi Gachagua na bara basikoba impeached. Either kupitia kwa Azimio, because today Junet Mohammed na kwana as National Assembly about the Rigathi Gachagua kutumika commercial plane which Mombasa, and Rigathi Gachagua kwebugolerie pagi airport bugeka na nebaka chibiche babeka wetera mangana yiga Azimio bawa kyomorero iguru ya Rigathi Gachagua impeachment na barabe sikoba impeached asenyencho ababunge ba Kenya Kwanza boka niko babagaine wetera Rigathi Gachagua. Today the majority leader na kwana igentekemo wetera somutano na na kwana atebeiga abantu munya gwekora. Anyway, mje muna singa ncho kwandira gusanga amone intwe ndochukorigere yasobwagare about Rigathi Gachagua, but ase kene kerororo ngiringa Rigathi Gachagua matukutari kwera Rigathi Gachagua kari ase serikali ya William Samuel Ruto. Abote choption ibere chokura ase serikali ya Ruto. Either eso kiweka abe opposition, was either Gachagua abe impeached. And again, nabora nyana eburukane iga nige chakirete wetera umuskerere Odinga weika William Samuel Ruto ange na okora some agreements. Nabora nyorenga ukwanda kwarira State House na kukwara etireke gocha ase Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua ni gatebete iga nkobeka nemetego State House kere kona mwakori we bitenda gwiri Raila Amolo Odinga kagocha abwatu taso State House, but Raila Odinga oreka ne State House talirimo talikabere ekena bokerabe nereke minano yachakire kolete burukano yagati ya Gachagua na William Samuel Ruto. Gachagua kwebugolerie park airport kolina ndege ya commercial. Gachagua kugenda umusangerikano bw'ekikanisa asomura ibwe ensale kanyurire esababu nganeri tabwati enjera wikororo tabwati ndege komokoba. Rigathi Gachagua asagotebekananga endege ya muborira gochira chiventi chayo sasa kugenda. Rigathi Gachagua mangana akongire nchani konkoro kwa nyamto Dennis ko sekuntu tomirane ase ebiro binde. Bye bye.